How much mortgage can I get UK? How much mortgage can I get UK? The numbers of mortgages you may lend as well as the number of mortgages you may finance are very distinct. Although a borrower may well be able to acquire a few, you may want a small mortgage to always encourage yourself to do something else. You must ask if you might easily give the average refund on something like a major mortgage until you lend the full sum. It can sometimes be difficult to maintain payments below 30% of your profits in the UK, in which property values seem to be quite expensive. Mortgage Affordability Calculator. This computer allows you to decide how much mortgage you can repay based on your earnings. Often you can lend a common mortgage, particularly when you both have very well occupations. You will figure out from the mortgage borrowing estimate exactly how much you may repay. The calculator of mortgage affordability tells you how often a lender can bid, which will allow you to realize how high the rates of interest will be your mortgage monthly charges. How to get a mortgage. This isn't just a major jump for residential credit, this is a whole pathway and it can take a while to get to the top. Often it might seem disorienting, and that will help you maintain organized or become fully controlled by learning how to get a mortgage. Start by giving an economic inspection. Commence of underwriting. Pre-approval in terms of house loan. Determine the proper mortgage. Start with paying a minimum amount of down payment. Terms and conditions regarding mortgage. The dynamic or fixed rate of interest. Government-oriented or sophisticated. Mortgage analysis or review. How much can I afford to borrow as a mortgage? You ought to weigh upwards of how much you can sustain the monthly costs before submitting for something like a mortgage. Mortgage suppliers may review the cash inflows and outflows to check whether debt payments will proceed. Mostly in previous, mortgage loans have been dependent on how much you will mostly invest on some of your earnings. What other factors will impact how much I can borrow? The lender would decide whether you might afford the mortgage or not. It's also very essential that you consider and organize how your transactions will be issued. In case your life is about to change, like either a newborn or perhaps a pause in your profession. Due to sickness, you cannot even work, either you or your beloved partner sacked from the job, steadily increasing rates of interest.